The OM System WS-883 digital voice recorder delivers clear, detailed audio thanks to its true stereo microphone layout and support for high-quality linear PCM and MP3 formats. Its generous built-in memory, combined with support for removable flash storage, allows extremely long recording times that easily cover lectures, interviews, and meetings. Direct connection to a standard USB Type-A port makes transferring files simple and also lets you recharge compatible batteries without carrying extra cables. Useful recording tools such as a low-cut filter, adjustable playback speed, and flexible volume control make it easier to hear voices clearly in less than ideal environments. The ability to insert index marks and erase selected files directly on the device streamlines organizing long sessions and finding key moments later. A compact, lightweight body with straightforward controls and a clear display makes this recorder convenient to carry daily and quick to operate even for new users.